Hi guys, welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to learn about network penetration testing. So the network penetration testing is the first penetration testing that we are going to cover in this module. Most of the systems and computers are connected to the network. If a device is connected to the internet, that means the device is connected to the network because the internet is really a big network. Therefore, we need to know that how devices interact with each other in a network, as well as how network works. So in network penetration testing, it is divided into three subsections. The first is pre-connection attack. In this section, we will learn about all the attacks that we can do before connecting to a network. Second, gaining attack. In this section, we will learn how to crack Wi-Fi keys and gain access to a Wi-Fi network whether they use WP, WPA, WPA2 network. Last but not the least, post-connection attack. These attacks applies whenever you are able to connect to the network. In this section, we will learn the number of powerful attacks that allow you to intercept the connections and capture everything like the username, password, URL, chat messages. You can also modify the data as it has been sent in the air. These attacks can apply on both Wi-Fi or wired network. So this is the basic introduction of network penetration testing. In the next lecture, we are going to see some basics of networking. Thank you for watching this lecture.